Welcome to We Talk DevOps, brought to you by IT Outposts. We will explore how companies can succeed in the digital era by implementing DevOps, without complex jargon, to give you a clear and accessible understanding of these processes. I'm Alex, your host, and my voice is powered by 11 Labs. Banking is an industry often perceived as old-fashioned when it comes to technology. Why? Banks have been around for centuries, and their IT systems reflect this history. We're often dealing with mainframes that have been running core operations for decades. These systems can be reliable, process millions of transactions daily, and comply with strict regulations. But they can also be rigid, expensive to maintain, and resistant to change. The inflexibility in back-end processes often spills over into user experience, affecting service speed and feature availability. So, traditionally, banks are conservative structures with their own servers, locked away to prevent both physical and virtual access. But are these legacy systems truly reliable? Despite robust protection, they're well-studied and progress marches on. Moreover, the security of these legacy systems often relies on a relatively small team. Contrast this with large cloud providers, like Azure or AWS, where thousands of employees work on data security, using cutting-edge encryption techniques and constantly improving defenses against new threats. One of the biggest problems with legacy systems managed by humans is, well, the human factor. The more responsibilities people have, the higher the chance of mistakes. Cloud-native solutions shift many processes from human hands to automated systems, reducing this risk. Plus, the cloud offers benefits like minimal downtime through availability zones. If one fails, you can continue operations elsewhere. However, it's not about completely abandoning legacy systems, but at least minimizing their use. The transition to the cloud should be smooth and careful. You might keep ultra-sensitive data on legacy servers while moving 95% of your infrastructure to the cloud. Another advantage of cloud systems is their flexibility. Legacy systems often rely on custom solutions with scripts that aren't always upgrade-friendly. Change one script and the whole chain is affected. Cloud solutions often offer native, well-thought-out alternatives. Even if weaknesses are found, cloud providers typically detect and patch them quickly. Yet, as we've mentioned, when it comes to integrating legacy systems with the cloud, there can be resistance. People are often reluctant to change systems they've used for years. It's like trying to teach a grandma to use Snapchat. Possible, but not without its hurdles. But here's a grand statement that encapsulates our world today. Everything changes rapidly. This speed of change is only accelerating as new technologies enable even more technologies, creating exponential progress. The ability to adapt is crucial in these times, and not just in technology. Finally, here's the million-dollar question. How do we minimize the challenges of connecting or migrating these legacy systems to the cloud? Here are a few strategies we've found helpful. Start small. Don't try to migrate everything at once. Begin with non-core systems or new services. This allows you to prove the concept and build confidence. Consider hybrid solutions. Sometimes, a full migration isn't feasible or desirable. A hybrid approach, keeping some systems on-premise while moving others to the cloud, can be a smart compromise. Use APIs wisely. Develop robust APIs that act as a bridge between legacy and cloud systems. This allows for gradual migration without disrupting core operations. Prioritize security and compliance. In banking, these aren't negotiable. Ensure your cloud solutions meet or exceed the stringent requirements of the industry. Invest in training. Your team needs to be comfortable with both legacy and cloud technologies. Choose the right partners. Work with cloud providers and consultants who understand the unique challenges of the banking sector. Plan for data migration. This is often the trickiest part. Develop a solid strategy for moving and transforming data without losing integrity. Embracing cloud-native solutions while carefully integrating legacy systems isn't just about keeping up with technology. It's about preparing your bank for a future where flexibility, security, and customer experience are paramount. What's your take on this transition? How is your organization handling the shift from legacy to cloud-native systems? Let's discuss and learn from each other's experiences. That's all for today. Thank you for joining us. I was glad to share the latest news and ideas about DevOps with you. If you want to learn more about how to enhance DevOps practices in your business, be sure to check out the additional information in the description of this episode. Add We Talk DevOps to your favorites to not miss our future releases. And remember, every little automation brings us closer to greater achievements. This is Alex, and you've been listening to We Talk DevOps. See you soon.